Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the date on your Passat B6. First, ensure your car's ignition is on but the engine is off. This provides power to the infotainment system without engine noise. Next, find the Setup or Settings button on your radio or navigation unit. Pressing this button will open the main menu, where you can adjust various vehicle settings. Once in the main menu, use the control knob or arrow buttons to scroll and select the time or date/time option. Within this submenu, you'll find the specific date setting. Now, you can adjust each component of the date, the day, month, and year, by rotating the knob or pressing the arrow buttons to increase or decrease the values. After you have accurately set the day, month, and year, it's crucial to confirm your selections. Look for an OK or Set button, usually located near the control knob, and press it firmly. This action saves your newly entered date into the system. Finally, exit the menu to return to your regular display, and your date should now be correctly updated. If your date doesn't save, check your car's battery. A low charge can sometimes affect system memory. Always refer to your Passat B6 owner's manual for any model-specific instructions, as button layouts can vary slightly. And for those moments when you're not driving, why not dive into a great book? The Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading anywhere. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.